Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Iga Nur Ramdhani, and I'm a lecturer at the Department of Building Architecture, Politeknik Negeri Samarinda. On this occasion, I will present my research on analysis of pedestrian paths above water in the Riverside settlement on the safety of residents from flood and fire. First, I would like to introduce the research team consisting of myself, Iga Nur Ramdhani, Professor Nurkolis Sidam, and Hatta Mustafa Adam Putra. The abstract of this research is as follows. The problem of the settlements such as on the bank of the Mahakam River, Kampung Tenun Samarinda Seberang, is vulnerable to fire and flood hazard. The main aspect of rescue lies in the settlement route, which on average has a footpath above the water surface to length. The safety of user is highly dependent on the quality of the route. The study aimed to assess the quality of evacuation route in terms of physical condition and accessibility to survey method, documentation, and interview with residents. The result of the study indicate the most evacuation routes still do not meet safety and accessibility standards. So they have the potential to turn up the safety of residents during a disaster. It is recommended that there be collaborative effort between the government, the community, and related parties to immediately improve the physical condition of evacuation route, increase accessibility, and develop a comprehensive contingency plan. The introduction of this research, there's 3 points. The first, flood and fire are serious threat to riverside settlements such as Kampung Tenun. The second, a safe and effective evacuation route is essential to save life. And the third, the study aimed to analyze the physical condition and accessibility of the evacuation route in Kampung Tenun. The research object of this paper is the first, to determine the physical condition of evacuation route, such as age, material, and structure. The second, to analyze the level of accessibility of evacuation routes, including distance and width. The third, to access the safety of evacuation route for residents during disaster. Okay, the method of this research, there is location, and the location in Kampung Tenun Samarinda is Kalimantan, Indonesia. The subject is evacuation route on water, and use method, field survey, documentation, and interviews. This is the location of this research. This is Kalimantan Island, and this is Kalimantan. This is Samarinda Seberang, and this is the specific of this research. This is Sungai Mahakam, and this is location. Okay. In the method, I found the variable and parameter. There is 2 variables. The first is physical quality, and the second is affordability. In physical quality variable, there is 2 parameters. The first is root age, will affect the durability of the material, and the second parameter is condition of structure and material. This is will affect the strength of the root when used for evacuation process. And In affordability variable, there is two parameters too. The first, distance, will affect the length of time to reach and safe point during evacuation. And the second parameter is route size, will affect the speed of two-way evacuation. Okay, this is result in discussion. In physical quality variable and parameter route edge analysis, there is two types of routes. There is old routes and new routes. Most of the evacuation routes are old and need repair. And in second parameter, analysis of structural and material condition, there is three types of the route. There is wood route, and there is wooden and concrete route. And the third is route with damaged structure and materials. The wood material used is susceptible to damage and is flammable. Okay, this is in the second variable. The first parameter is distance analysis. The distance of the canal route to the mainland varies. Some are near and some are far. The first route with a distance of less than 50 meters, and second, there is route with a distance of more than 50 meters. In the second parameters, there is route size and there is route size analysis. And I want two types of the routes. The first is route with a width of 2 meters and route with a width of approximately 1 meter. Evacuation routes are generally narrow, thus hampering evacuation. And this is the conclusion. The first, evacuation route conditions in Kampung Tenun are not optimal for the safety of residents. And second, repair and improvement to the quality of the exit route need to be made. This is a description for the conclusion. An assessment of the pedestrian path's physical condition and accessibility in Kampung Tenun can reveal the current safety and evacuation preparedness for floods and fires. Our findings indicate that poor physical quality and accessibility need improvement. In the first, there is physical quality. The physical quality of the pedestrian paths impact resident safety during flood and fire. Older paths need structural and material upgrades. Wooden paths, especially for fire safety, should be replaced with non-flame material like concrete, for example. And the second variable, affordability. The accessibility of the pedestrian paths affect evacuation efficiency. Longer paths, especially for fire, pose risk. Replacing the with concrete and can improve the safety. Wooden paths are also essential for efficient evacuation during floods and fire. And the last recommendation, there is 4 recommendations. The first is improve the structure and material of evacuation routes. The second, widen the width of the route. The third, build new evacuation routes closer to land. And the fourth, increase public awareness of the importance of safe evacuation routes. This is my reference. There is 21 reference. And thank you. Thank you for your attention.